Inspections before production on the painted frame for appearance, function, requirements, etc. Stand the frame on the production line. Thread the cable harness to the frame. Install the kickstand. Install the rubber cover to prevent scratching. Install the charging port. Install the power button. Install the rear fender. Install the tail lights. Fix the support rods. Install the tail lights. Fix the support rods. Install the rear tire. Install the rear brake caliper. Thread the tail light cable and snap the connectors. Connect the motor cables. Secure the cable routing. Put the battery inside. Connect the cables of the main harness to the corresponding outlet cables of the controller, and then rearrange the controller and cables into the slot. Screw on the bottom battery cover. Take off the scooter for the front fork installation. Install the stem. Install the front tire. Install the handlebar. Adjust the angle to the horizontal line. Install the display. Put on the left brake lever before sliding the grip on. Tighten the grip firmly. Slide on the thumb throttle, left brake lever, and right grip in sequence. Install the front brake caliper. Connect the connectors for the display and the throttle. Thread and install the brake cables. Tie up the cables and secure them with Velcro. Install the headlight. Fix the front fender support rods. Connect the headlight cables. Set the display. Test the taillights. Test the headlight. Test the brake caliper for abnormal noise. Verify the functions of the brakes. Take a quick ride test.